weeks.
Two of the three teams that shared the Woodland East Division title a year ago meet in South Milwaukee as the Rockets host Brown Deer. Both teams come into this one undefeated, and the winner not only moves to 4-0 on the season, but also gets an early leg up on defending their piece of the division title. It was a pair of sevens that dealt blows in the first quarter. South Milwaukee's 7, Justin Oladine, scrambles in to give the Rockets a 7-0 lead. Brown Deer takes over, and their number 7, Zach Vaughn, goes to 6'7", Devontae Jackson. And you're going to need a ladder to outjump that guy. Vaughn and Jackson hook up on the 80-yard bomb to tie the game. After a Rockets touchdown late in the second quarter makes it 14-7, the very next play is Vaughn breaking tackles and breaking out. Another 80-yard touchdown, this time with his legs. And we're tied going to the locker room. It's still 14 apiece in the fourth when 7 rolls snake eyes. Vaughn intercepted deep in Falcons territory by Ben Zibikowski, setting up what proves to be the game clincher. Zach Simonchak punches it in as the Rockets light up the scoreboard and the skies over South Milwaukee. They win 29-14 to move to 4-0.
Both defenses did a great job. Got to give it out to Brown Deer, too. They had a great game plan against us, and also our defense kept us in the game.
We take it week by week. 4-0 feels really good, but our motto with the kids is 1-0, and it worked again this week, and we'll just have to prepare for next week's battles.